Illegal website to know about. Part 21. Want to remove any unwanted object, defect, or people, text from your pictures? Head over to this website. Here you can remove any object or any disturbances of your picture in one click. Here you just have to upload an image. I'm going to choose my logo and open it, and I'm gonna remove my own logo from here to show you. I misselected that N2 by mistake, but yes, it is removed here for free of cost, and you can see this is before and this is after. You can also download it for free of cost. Here it is also downloaded. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for daily shorts content.